Welcome to the vibrant and refreshing world of fresh fruit juice, nature's sweet elixir for health and refreshment. This delightful blend, brimming with the zest of oranges, the succulent sweetness of berries and more, serves up a burst of natural goodness. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but a boost for your health too. From strengthening your immune system and keeping you hydrated, to enhancing your skin's glow, fresh fruit juice is truly a powerhouse of nutrition. Now, ready to dive into the making of this liquid gold packed with nature's goodness? Crafting fresh fruit juice is an art and a delightful one at that. It's a blend of nature's best, ripe, juicy, and nutritious fruits. Imagine this, a bright and sunny morning, and you're about to create a symphony of flavors. First, let's talk about the classic orange carrot ginger juice. This combination is a powerhouse of vitamins, providing an immune boost and a refreshing kick. The natural sweetness of the carrots balances the tangy zest of the oranges, while the ginger adds a spicy twist that invigorates your senses. Next, consider the strawberry banana spinach blend. This mix offers a smooth and creamy texture, with the spinach adding a touch of earthiness that perfectly complements the sweet and tart strawberries and the rich velvety bananas. This blend is rich in antioxidants, supporting skin health and aiding digestion. Now, on to selecting the right fruits. Look for fruits that are ripe but not overly so. They should be firm to touch, with a vibrant color and a fresh aroma. Seasonal fruits are a great choice as they tend to be at their peak in flavor and nutrition. Going organic can be a great option too, as it helps avoid pesticides and promotes sustainable farming. Creating the perfect fresh fruit juice is all about balance, balancing flavors, balancing nutrition, and balancing freshness. So don't be afraid to experiment and create your own unique blends. Voila! There you have it, a glass full of nature's bounty ready to refresh and rejuvenate you. While fresh fruit juice is a powerhouse of nutrients, it's essential to remember, moderation is key. It's like a vibrant symphony of flavors and health benefits, but even symphonies need harmony. Just like any good thing, too much of it can tip the balance. So, savor every sip, but be mindful of your portion sizes. When it comes to storage, fresh fruit juice is best enjoyed immediately after it's made to capture its full nutrient profile. But if you need to store it, refrigerate it in a sealed container, and try to consume it within 24 hours. As for preservation, avoid adding preservatives or sweeteners. Let the natural sweetness of the fruit sing. If you need to enhance the flavor, consider adding a squeeze of lemon or a dash of ginger. So here's to health, vitality, and the delectable taste of fresh fruit juice. Remember, it's not just a drink, it's a lifestyle choice for optimal health.